Hello students. So in today's video, we'll be going through a very short topic that is a questions with how. Okay. Now you all know that how is a WH question word that we use, and it's an exception because it doesn't start with WH. Okay. So how do we make questions with how? So most of the times we'll be starting with the word how, and after that we have the words like often, well, long, or good. Okay. That is how we'll make a question. Example, how often, with what frequency? That's what we are asking. So this is how our sentence structure is supposed to be. I'll start with the word how, and then I will use the word often. That means I'm talking about frequency. That's why I'm using often. Then I will use my helping verb, and then I will be using my subject, verb, and then the object. How often do you work out? Okay, that is how I'll be asking. How long? I'm asking it for in how much time. Okay. For example, how long? Then I will use helping verb, subject, verb, and then the object. How long do you spend at the gym? That is how I can use. Next, I have how well and how good. Now they both have same meaning, but good is an adjective and well is an adverb. So we use good with the verb be and how well with other verbs. Okay. How well do you play tennis and how good are you at sports? That is how I will use it. Okay. Now let us look at the examples from our book that we refer. Questions with how. How long often do you work out? Every day. Okay, or twice a week, or not very often. That is how I will use it. How long do you spend at the gym? I can answer 30 minutes a day, 2 hours a week, or about an hour on weekends. How well do you play tennis? I will say pretty well, about average, or not very well. Or I can say how good, I can ask, how good are you at sports? Then you can say pretty good, okay, or not so good. Now, try making these questions in the comments box. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.